Hello Internet! Ako po si Manny Viloria ng onenegosyo.com. Tara, mag-online business na tayo at ng trulyrichpinoy.com. Tara, mag-stock market na tayo. Welcome to today's Facebook Live video episode. It's going to be short and sweet. I-share po natin ang ating stock market journey, itong hashtag stock market journey ni Manny. We'll talk about itong kay Bo Sanchez, yung TRC, long-term investing strategy. Kasi dyan po tayo nagsimula, nung beginner po tayo, and we relied on, and continue to rely on the group of Brother Bo Sanchez for long-term investing. So dati, ito yung ginagawa natin, no? We would see the list of stock recommendations. Now I have to hide it kasi this is for paid subscribers of TRC. And based on the list, the general rule is buy if the price is below the buy below price. Kung mura po yung stock, binibili po natin. Kaya nung nagsimula po tayo sa Truly Rich, kahit anong i-recommend dito nila Bo, basta yung presyo ay mas mababa sa buy below price, ay binibili po natin kasi we were, and still am actually, a long-term investor. Now, over the years, nung nagkaroon po tayo ng additional information, we decide to find out if ito bang mga stocks na to, ito yung mga row number sa table ni Brother Bo ito bang mga stocks na to ay blue chip stocks? Sila ba talaga ay pang long term? So nag-Google po tayo and we found a web page. Let's make this bigger. A web page that has a list of the blue chip stocks. Kaya using Excel, if you like to learn how to do this in Excel, we can schedule or create another video for this. Using Excel's functions, we're using index and match. Automatically, kapag kami nirecommend na stock si Bo Sanchez or any other person, any other stock market blogger online, automatically sa spreadsheet, we'll see right away na, blue chip pala ito. Like itong sa row 5 ng TRC. Hindi pala blue chip. Row 5 to 7 and then rows 8 to 14 mga blue chip and then row 15 hindi blue chip. So, ano ngayon ang ating long-term investing strategy as far as TRC is concerned? Great pumunta. Good morning, Gia. Thanks for watching. Hello, Annalyn Rosales. Thank you for watching. Ito yung ating strategy. This is my personal strategy. You can choose to copy it or not. If the stock is a blue chip, kung blue chip yung stock, no, meaning pang long term siya, tapos ni-recommend ni TRC, I will consider buying it if the price is below the buy below price. Pero kung hindi blue chip, ito blanco ito. Kung hindi blue chip, then my personal style is I will check the candlestick chart. So ito, we have other Call Financial accounts. So, ganoon din, no? I had to list down ano ba yung mga stocks natin doon. Alin yung mga blue chip, alin yung hindi. Therefore, I'll have to check the candlestick chart or simply not bother with the candlestick chart and think of the long term. You'll notice here na call 1, call 2. What does this mean? This means that you are allowed to have more than one Call Financial account. You are allowed to have up to 3. So if you want to experiment, isang Call Financial account mo purely pang long term, isa naman purely for short term trading, isa naman for combination, it's up to you. It makes it easier for you to monitor when you're able to separate your portfolio into more than one Call Financial account. Sawadi, Coach Alan De Leon, watching from Bangkok. Thanks for joining us. Ano ito? These are recommendations by other groups online. I do not rely only on Bo Sanchez. Over the years, nag-experiment din tayo at siguro yan din ang mga experience mo sa iyong stock market journey that you might start with TRC and continue with TRC and then experiment by looking at the information, the for a fee information provided by other people online. So ito, that's another group. TA means technical analysis. Ito yung mga Short term nila kaya walang blue chip dyan. Except for this one. Meron siyang pang trading pero blue chip. Kaya interesting itong other company na ito. That's Equilist, sa taga-Tarlac. Ito naman, yung kay Equilist, long-term LT, syempre, maraming blue chips. From here, I can easily compare kung alin ba ang common stocks ni Equilist at ni TRC. Then that will also help me decide kung, wow, 2 votes for that stock. O, ito naman, baka sabihin nyo, bakit panay itim? O, ito, si Daily Pick ito. Meron din siyang long-term stocks. I try to compare which are the common long-term stocks. Pero I'll talk about FGen, okay? Sabi ni Daily Pick, buy if the price is below 22.25. By the way, iba-iba yung mga ibang groups, ha? They don't all recommend this. So, we're going to have to test the different recommendations of the different people. So, for FGen, buy if the price is below 22.25. The current price, well, the last price is 20 pesos and 30. Therefore, ang recommendation nitong si DP will be to buy. Target selling price niya is 26.7, which means she is expecting a return of 31.53%, assuming bumili ka ng FGen at this price. So kapag nakakita po tayo ng ganyan, may nagre-recommend, uy, bili ka ng FGen. Blue chip naman. Okay yung kitaan. Okay? Remember, these are all estimates. So we are curious, bakit sila nag-estimate ng ganyan? Bakit ba sinasabi na si FGen ay pang long term? Bakit nga ba? So we turn to Instagram. Sorry, not Instagram. Investagrams. Sa libreng charting software, tinignan po natin yung performance ng Philippine stock market as a whole, PSEI. And based on their chart, for about a 20-year period, 1999 to 2019, if you look at the chart, more or less, it's on an upward trend. No? So if you bought a stock here in 1999, if you invested in the index fund, kasi when you say PSEI, yan yung overall average of a certain number of stocks. Not all of the stocks. They pick the stocks na mataas yung trading volume, malaki yung impact sa market. So, kung nag-invest ka sa PSEI index fund noong 1999, tapos binenta mo noong 2019, your money would have grown on average of about 6%. Ang baduy, no? 6%. Pero kung bumili ka nung 2009, 2009, banda rito, and then you sold it dito sa 2019, February, okay? That's a 10-year period. This growth is 14%. So when you think about long-term investing, it doesn't automatically mean na porket mahaba ang time frame mo, ay ang laki-laki ng kita mo. Kasi nakita mo dito, ito 20 years, from here to here, 20 years. Ang growth niyan, 6%. Pero ito, 10 years, from here to here. Ang growth nito, in this example, based on actual data, is 14.5%. So, just because you're a long-term investor, wag mo na sabihin na, I'll just look at it again after 20 years. No, you have to look at it like from here to here, oh. From here to here, mga 1 to 3 years. So don't just leave your money in the stock market and then fall asleep. You have to look at it. Sana, my recommendation be once a month. If you're a long-term investor, look at it once a month. Kasi we're going to buy stocks once a month. Again, we learned from Alex Once naman na just because you heard that you're supposed to buy stocks once a month as a long-term investor, it does not mean that you will actually buy stocks once a month or every month. Sometimes there are months na you shouldn't buy the stock. You should wait maybe for a better time. Maybe the following month. You can buy every other month. You can buy every 3 months. But the important thing is, titingnan mo siya at least once a month. Greet po muna tayo. Who else are here? Hil Buena Jean, thanks for joining us. Coach Pearly Amaga, good morning. Lorca, Carol Garillo, thanks for joining us. So, going back to FGen, no? Ang tanong kasi natin, bakit nire-recommend yung FGen for long-term investing purposes? Eh kung titingnan natin yung chart, yan ba ang itsura ng pang long-term na stock? Kasi kung titingnan mo naman yung sa PSE, ay ayan, mukha naman talagang pang long term kasi over a long period of time, talagang yung general trend ng stock market as a whole ay pataas. Pero itong si FGen, this is from, kailan ba to? About 2006. 2006 to 2019. Saan yung long-term trend dyan? So, just because someone said na, yan, blue chip yan, pang long term. At least now, natutunan tayo na titingin din na sa charts to see kung ano ba itsura overall. Now, we're not experienced traders, pero just by looking at it, kahit na tanungin mo yung grade school mong anak yan ba, mukhang pataas yan? Sasabihin, hindi, mukhang sideways. Siyempre dito, may times na tumataas, dito rin. So, kung bumili ka dito, okay yan. Like this gap here, ang gawin mo sa Investagram, itatapat mo lang doon, tapos makita mo na yung date dito. O ito, 2011. Tapos ito, 2013. So ito pala, 2 years ito. Dito naman, 2013. Tapos dito, 2015. Mga 2 years din. Ito naman, Feb 2016. Dito, July 2016. So, minsan 2 years, minsan 4 months, 3 months. But I don't see anything going zoom. So, ang tanong ngayon, Manny, sinabi nung isang stock market blogger na, sabi niya, FGen tayo, FGen. Pang long term. So, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Titignan ko ngayon dito. Is it worth getting into FGen now? Siyempre, bumili ako ng FGen dati. Siguro bandang 2015. Dito ako bumili. Ngayon, nandito siya. Siyempre, nung bumagsak siya, nag-worry tayo. Pero whenever you see your portfolio drop, you have to ask yourself, ano ka ba talaga? Investor ka ba? O trader? Since long-term investor ako, hindi ako nagwawala dito. Pero ang tanong ngayon is it worth getting now? Kasi meron tayong mga friends who are into trading. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we will choose a date range, kita ba? Of 6 months. Yan, 6 months. Nagbago na yung itsura ng chart. And then, we will be adding certain lines, no? I already defined the lines before. So, gumawa na ako ng template. Itong 20, 50, 90 moving day average. Tapos itong pulang line na to, yan yung 20-day moving average. We can see that the stock price, itong mga candlesticks, binabasag na nila itong 20-day moving average line na ito. Which means, a common interpretation would be, pababa na yung presyong ito. Pababa ng stock price. And then if we look at the RSI indicator, it's possible for this to go down. So, it's not a sure thing, pero mukhang pababa na to. So, what I'm going to tell my friends is, if you were to ask me, will I buy FGen now? I'll say, hihintayin ko bumaba pa ng konti yung presyo. Kasi baka bumaba pa ito. And you can see here, itong volume bar na ito, maraming nagbenta kahapon ng FGen kaya bumaba yung presyo. The red bar is above the blue shaded area. Itong blue shaded area, ito yung average volume traded over the past 20 days, moving average ng volume. And the volume of shares sold was higher than usual. So, ang tanong, bakit sila nagbebenta? Ba't sila nagbenta ng madami? Kapag ganun, you go to the website Edge, gilid to, edge.pse.com.ph. I-type mo dito, FGen, for example, lalabas dyan yung pangalan, First Gen Corporation, it's into power. So, syempre naman, just by thinking of power, mukhang pang long term talaga, no? Click on FGen. You'll be brought to the FGen page, the company information page. Ito, meron ditong company disclosures. You click on that. Tapos, tingnan mo yung mga company news na sinubmit ng kumpanya sa PSE. And you see here, share buyback transactions. Feb 18, share buyback transactions. Let's click on the Feb 18 news. Kita ba to? Basahin ko na lang. It says here, the 2-year common share buyback program was approved by the company's itong FGen Board of Directors on June 14, 2018 and covers up to 300 million of the company's common shares. Ibig sabihin yan, FGen is going to buy back. Bibilhin ni FGen ang 300 million shares ng FGen at market prices. Okay? So, is that the reason why ang daming nagbenta kahapon? Are they thinking na pagka binabuyback ng kumpanya yung mga shares, is at the end? Okay? So, kapag ganyan, when you have questions like that, pupunta tayo kay Google and we will search for the phrase buyback, stock market buyback. Is it good? Is it bad? And you will see there that there are certain situations na you can expect the price to go up and there are other situations na you can expect the price to go down. Kaya dito sa stock market, tama yung sinasabi ni Jack Angel, ni Alex Once, charting is only 10%. You have to expand your knowledge by Googling. You can learn naman Googling, kapag meron ka nakitang mga company disclosures, mga terms na hindi natin masyado naintindihan, di i-Google natin. Ito pala Ito yung Feb 19 disclosure ni FGen sa PSE. Noong Feb 18, they purchased 1 million shares at the following prices, 20 pesos and 15, 20 and 50. So, mga market prices. 1 million. And how many more to go? Ito, well, this is not guaranteed, no? Total amount appropriated for the buyback program up to 300 million of the company's common shares. Ako, based na nabasa ko, it's possible that the stock price will go up kasi it will become more attractive. It shows that the company is willing to reinvest in itself. Diba nga? Invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Diba? So, don't just look at the charts. Also check out the news. PSE Edge. Ayan, si FGen. Balik tayo dito. Sinabi ng mga ibang vloggers, itong UV, undervalued stocks. Ibig sabihin, undervalued stocks. Masyadong mura. It's below the normal value. Kaya, i-consider mo na. Tapos, napansin natin na yung karamihan, mga blue chip. So, if your portfolio ngayon ay dumudugo, pulang-pula, no? Tingnan po natin dito na itong mga blue chip stocks, their value is, they are undervalued. Okay? So, yung isang tanong dito, ito will reveal. Picor. Blue chip. Buy below 8 pesos. The price yesterday was 6 pesos and 60 centavos. Target selling price is 9 pesos and 60. Wow, for a nice return of 45.45. Sometimes you will see recommendations na buy below a certain price, sabihin na buy below 10 or even at higher than 10, 11 because the target price is so and so. So, don't be so rigid na pag sinabi buy below, kunwari buy below 10. Naku, 10 pesos and 50 centavos, I won't buy it anymore. Go back to the person recommending it kasi may mga tables na buy below 10. Tapos kapag yung presyo higher than 10, buy pa rin. Diba? So, we'll wonder why. You can again check out edge.pse.com.ph and see kung meron bang balita na ano. So, let's look at Picor. Petron Corporation. Okay? If you look at this chart, ano yung long-term prospect niya? Does it look like it's going to keep going up in the short term? Or does it look like it's going to go down. Ito, ano ba to? Year 2000, this is a 20-year view. Siyempre, kung bumili ka rito, and then dito ka nagbenta, kumita ka. That's 693% in 6,574 days. Pero the others naman, short-term traders, if you look at the RSI, it's near the bottom band, no? If you look at the 20-year period, it never went below the bottom band. So some people are interpreting this as siguro tataas uli yung presyo ni Petron. Siguro. Kasi if you look at naman the short-term version, 6 months, ayan, no? The stock price went below the 90-day moving average. Sorry, the 20-day moving average. Tapos itong mga pula. People have been selling Petron recently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Past 7 trading days. And the volume of trades is higher than usual. So parang, ano ba yun? Parang ano? Lack of confidence? Or are they taking profits? So when you see the RSI go below the bottom band, no? Para bang ang sinasabi nito, hindi na yan bababa pa. So you can expect some people to buy kasi highly affordable at this point. Again, it's not a guarantee. It can still dip a bit lower. If we place our mouse dito sa RSI, the RSI score is 20. Normally, kapag below 30, talagang oversold na yun. Meaning, you can expect the price to go up. Pero again, expectations might be different from reality. Because everything here is based also on human behavior and also on computer algorithms. So ayan. So that's how we do it, no? We are, up to now, a TRC subscriber. And we adjusted by also now looking kung blue chip nga ba yung stock na ni-recommend. Or kung hindi, then we look at the candlestick charts. We are long-term investors. Pero, paminsan-minsan, we try to do a bit of charting din. It's a way of expanding your knowledge para naman ma-realize mo na you have to continuously improve yourself and keep learning, keep asking, and keep connecting with people. So, thank you for joining us. For those of you who are wondering what's the first step is to apply for an account para magkaroon ka ng way to buy and sell stocks online. Yung step-by-step guide for you is available at trulyrichpinoy.com/tara. Or if that's too long, you can also go visit lamangangmayalam.com. Ang landing din naman nun ay yung trulyrichpinoy.com/tara. So hanggang sa susunod, ako po si Manny Viloria ng trulyrichpinoy.com na nagsasabing, invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Have a great day. Thank you for all of those who watch, including Randy, Crisanto Cocon Cabrera Jr., Arlene Paborian Tabelisma, Miko Tanglao, and Bro Arthur Evangelista. Bye!